In this video, I'll show you how to use Raydium on mobile. Firstly, launch the Solarflare app on your phone after you download it and tap the browser icon at the bottom navigation bar. In the browser, type raydium.io. Then tap the Launch App button to Raydium's homepage. Once the Raydium app loads, tap Connect Wallet and choose Solarflare from the list of wallet options. Tap Connect to authorize the access. You're now connected to Raydium via the Solarflare mobile app. From there, you can swap tokens, add liquidity, participate in yield farms, and explore new Solana DeFi opportunities. Raydium is just one example. With Solarflare's mobile browser, you can connect to any Solana-based application the same way.